Hello everyone, welcome to the lesson. Today we will discuss this question on your screen, that is, Annie has 4 times as many pennies as nickels, but the value of her pennies is 12 cents less than the value of her nickels. Okay, this is your condition, and from this condition you have to find how many of each type of coins does she have. Okay, you have to find each type of coin she have. So let she has x pennies and y nickels. Okay, now as given in the question that Annie has 4 times as many pennies as nickels. Okay, she has 4 times means multiply, 4 times as many pennies as nickels. So simply in mathematical term you can write this as x is equal to 4y. X is your pennies and y is your nickels. Okay, so I write this statement as x is equal to 4y, and I am saying that this is my equation 1. Now value of her pennies, see, this value of her pennies is 12 cents less than the value of her nickels, and I can write this as also value of pennies is 12 cents less than the value of nickels, and I can write this statement in mathematical way, and this would be like 5y minus x is equal to 12. So just I have transformed this statement into mathematical term, and this is 5y minus x is equal to 12. So I say that this is my equation 2. Now from equation 1 put the value of x into equation 2. So from equation 1 which is this is my equation 1, put the value of x into equation 2. Okay, so just you have to solve, you can solve these equations simultaneously, you can use elimination method as well. Okay, so this is up to you. So when I substitute the value of x into equation 2, I will get 5y minus 4y is equal to 12. So from there y is equal to 12. So what is my y? Y is simply your number of nickels. Okay, so she has 12 number of nickels. So to find the value of x is equal to 4y from equation 1. Okay, put the value of y in equation 1. You can also put this in equation 2. You can also put this set up an equation by multiplying any of the equation with any number, and also put this the value of y in any equation. So you will get the value of y. So x is equal to 4 into 12. This is equal to 48. So Annie has 48 pennies, and so she has x, that is equal to 48. So 48 pennies and y, that is equal to 12, that is 12 nickels. So this is how you can solve such word problem that are quite easy. So thank you for your time and watching this video.